Hello guys, it's me, Miss Fatibra, and I am back again with a very interesting, nice video. This video we are going to be cooking kebab, and this vlog is a Ramadan vlog since I'm a Muslim, and you all know that Muslims have begun fasting, that is Ramadan. So this is day 2 vlog, that is day 2 of Ramadan. You know very well, we as Muslims, we normally fast every year in a certain, we follow the moon sighting. So we began yesterday, that is 11th March. I think 90% of the Muslims started yesterday, and 10% of them will be beginning on today, that is 12. For me, I began my fasting yesterday, so you all know that we all make some food preparations that we are going to be breaking the fast with. And what I can explain, according to me, you normally fast and pray. We make so much prayers and so much duas, and in every month of Ramadan, in every year, we as Muslims, you need to come, you need to fulfill what you want, you have some, everybody always have their wishes and so much duas, and we have to make so much namaz, reading of Quran, so much. We have to do so much. It is all about our worshipping Allah, and we are really proud doing it. We are not forced by anyone, but we are really proud of it. So this is day 2, and I wish every Muslim the Ramadan Mubarak, that Ramadan Kareem. We are so happy. This is a very happy month. It is a very blessing month. I call it a blessing because in every year we normally have that kind of worshipping and celebration, and it is important because we as Muslims, we don't know if we are going to meet the next Ramadan, that is next year. We don't know about tomorrow. So guys, in all that, I have to share with you some little time of what I do. I've already made my prayers, and I've already made my time. We are doing everything so perfectly and to all Muslims watching all over the world, and everybody who is watching all over the world, it does not matter if you are a Muslim, if you are a Christian, it's okay. You can watch it, you can learn more about this, and in future maybe you would like to join me. It's free. So in Kenya, that is where I am, and our Kenyan time, it's 5:10 p.m. That is when I normally start my cooking preparations, and as you can see, my ingredients are just over there, and I want to show you some of the ingredients that I have with me. I'm in the kitchen, so that I have a home baking flour, that is all-purpose flour, and I have meat, which is in this bowl, and I also have turmeric. So as I continue with the video, I said I'm going to be cooking kebab. We have to cook dumpling, those two things, and some meatballs. There is no difference between meatballs and kebab, and I'm going to be showing you the way I was told back at home how to cook kebab. And the dumpling is my other ingredient that I added today. It was not in what I was supposed to cook today. So we are going to be cooking with you 3 things: kebab, meatballs, and dumplings. So guys, as you can see here, we have our spices. This is salt, and this is the chili flakes. That is the dania. As you can see it, that is the dania. This is turmeric, and this is 1 egg, and this is my meat. I'm going to blend the meat together with you. So let's do this, guys, before this video is so long. So guys, you see, that is what we are going to be using for our cooking today. And as you can see here, I have my cooking oil. That is olive oil. Yeah, I normally like using the original virgin olive oil. You know, it is super expensive, but I use it in some ingredients. So let's begin with what you're going to do first. So I've cleaned my basin, and I'll be using this. It is very clean. As you can see, it's not dirty. I'll be cleaning this basin for me. So let's do it together. So I'll be putting in my flour, this one. Pinch of salt. So guys, I'll be blending my meat using this. That is quad blade. This is my small blender, mini blender. I have that one, and I also have the big one. So I normally blend my meat to minced meat, and I prefer this one is more powerful than this one. So this one should be aside. We're going to use the mini blender. I don't know, I just call it like, because the mini blender, this one, it can crush ice, guys. And if something can crush ice, that means it can crush the meat. You see, it is written ice crush, quad blade, Kenwood. It is very nice. You can also use it at your homes. It is very affordable, and it's not very expensive, but if you buy one, you get two. Let's go on with the video. This is my meat, guys, and I want to be cleaning my hands, as you see me so that I can be able to touch my meat with my hands. So I'm so clean. So you see, this is the one that is going to crush the eyes. I've washed it, it's very clean. We put in our meats, adding in my meat so that we can blend it. First of all, I think I should add little and little, and I will be adding in my ginger that I'm going to wash, and some garlic that they'll be washed, and I put in these ones later, and 1 egg. So, and we also have some chili flakes, and we have here some salt, and I show you these, and that is our spice that we're going to add in. And we also have to add some turmeric. So guys, let's go on with the video. So I'll be cutting my ginger, like a small ginger like that, and then this one is for using another day. Then I wash it. Wash it. I'll be putting in my coriander, that is dhania. It will be added into. Everything is going to be blended. This is 1 garlic. So guys, this is a mixture of meat, coriander, dhania, and we will be adding in some spices, to add some salt. So as we cook, you make sure that you clean your working area. You must clean your working area as we go on. So this is it, and I'll be adding in some turmeric powder like that. Remember, we're going to be making kebab. That's why we are not going to cook the meat, yeah, that like that. That is the setup. So here we go. So guys, you see what I said? It is going to be like minced meat. You see, if something can crush ice, guys, why not crush the meat? The meat has been crushed. So I'll be rolling these into small balls, and also you will see meatballs. So let's blend the second lot because I have a lot of meat. That's the blended meat, and we are going to be blending more. This is the rest of the meat. Before guys, let me show you the before. This is the before of the meat was blended, and this is the after, because I put in my ingredients. You see guys, it can do that, it can work. So this is blended. We are going to make meatballs and kebab. Like that, guys. That's a ball. The first one. The second one. You see these meatballs, how beautiful and cute they are. That is the first thing. The second thing will be the dumpling, and I'll be showing you how I'm doing them. These are the meatballs. That is the first thing. And we have to cook the dumplings.